In order to connect a PlayStation 5 to hotel Wi-Fi, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your settings and then go ahead and just open up network. All right, then you want to select on settings and then select on setup internet connection just like so, and then you will be brought to this page right over here. Now, before we do anything, what you want to do is you want to press on the menu button on your PlayStation 5 controller, which will be located on the top right. So right above it, it's going to have like 3 bars, and you just want to select on it. Then it is going to open up something that looks like this. And what you want to do is you want to change Wi-Fi frequency bands from automatic to 2.4 gigahertz only. Now, this is something that actually does help out significantly. So then go ahead and try to reconnect to the hotel Wi-Fi one more time. And then when you try to connect to your hotel Wi-Fi, you're going to get a pop-up that looks like this. It is going to say how to authenticate. So what you will need to do is you will need to open the network connection page on your computer or mobile device. Adjust your settings to connect to the wireless network, and you're going to need to enter a passcode right over here. So from there, it's actually not too difficult, but obviously if you're not able to get that screen, then that process is not going to work entirely. So guys, don't forget to change your Wi-Fi frequency, and then afterwards go ahead and try it out. Unfortunately, every single hotel is different, and unfortunately, there is no single like cookie cutter solution for this issue. I always recommend consulting the hotel staff, but if you guys have any other ideas or you have any other methods that work for you, please leave them in the comment section down below so that you're able to help out other people who stumble upon this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.